Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Dave here, Scaredy Cat, the man himself. Can you remember we looked at this? This is the Oxford Screamer alarm, which went off and scared the living daylights out of us while I was driving back. Well, I've no idea what this noise is. It just came on. I don't think it's anything to do with the fan. It's coming from down there somewhere. Done a little bit more research since that video went out to try and find out what would cause it to do all of this, and it turns out that when the flattery's a bat, then it makes that noise the minute you go to try to close it down. How much use that's going to be if you're out and about, I don't know, probably not a lot, but anyway, it needs its batteries replaced and then it can be used again in the van for the purpose for which I use it. That is to lock the driver's seat round the other way so that you can't sit on it and drive. That's the idea. So let's change the batteries. It's very simple. What you need is a hex key, and this would be a size 2. Is that 2mm? I assume it is. This one, you may be able to see, has like a little bally end on it. And there are 2 hex bolts in there that you need to take out. So let's do exactly that. You've got to throw it out. Feels like one of them. Right, that's them out. I hope I can get them back in. No. Slide. Must have to take these ones out then. So there's 4 in total. I thought there was just 2. This is what's confusing me. So 2 at the front, 2 towards the back, and then you're not going to believe what the batteries are. Right, now try. Whoop, there you go. This is the bit that has to come off, as you can see, and this is where the batteries are going to go. And the batteries, oh dear me, how? They're like little hearing aid battery things, is what they are. Come out. There we go. Right, so I need to load 6 hearing aid batteries into that little lot. Alright then. Move that out the way. Push these out. According to the blurb, it should be 6 to 9 months worth in these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They come in a pack of 10, which if you need 6 isn't brilliant, but there they are. What they call hermetically sealed, I believe. And once you take them out, which isn't proving too hard, I'm pleased to say. Right, so little knobby bit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back in there they go. That's it. As easy as that. And we'll just slide this back on and screw everything back down. Right, call that tight, I think. Alright, first things first, if I just press that button, this was the one that fired it off before, and that's what it should sound like. Now then, get the key handy, David. That's it. It's locked in. It's gone down. So if now I press the button, there's the beep. That means it's armed. Or does it mean it's not armed? Might mean it's not armed. That's what happens when you move it. So let's disarm it. That's a rocket, isn't it? And that's what will happen. So you probably want to see how it fits into the van and what I'm going to do you? You do? Okay then. So here we are back round at the driver's seat. Here is the device. There is the hole. It literally slides. And it's quite tight. Then you feel for the hole and that's it. It's pressed in. And then within 15 seconds, press the button. It beeps. And you're ready to go. So there it is, in place down there. And if somebody now tries, that means it's set. Now then, somebody tries to turn the chair, and that's what happens. It goes off, scares the living daylights out of them, lets everybody around you hear it, and it's all good. So there you are, that's how it's done, that's how it works. I've managed to fix it, I've managed to put it on, we're now good to go. Excellent stuff. Hope you found that useful, and I am going to say these are not a bad idea. They're gettable for around about 20 quid. They're not very expensive at all. So, like I say, hope you found it useful. If you have, you know what to do. What you have to do is enjoy the roads, enjoy the skies, but most of all, enjoy your lives. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.